In this video, I will show you 4 different methods to cancel a deletion request of your Facebook account. To start, you can use any other Meta application like Instagram. After opening, tap the profile icon, then tap the setting menu. Now you can open Account Center option. Here, just select Manage Account. Now you can see under Facebook, it has been scheduled for permanent deletion. So, just select it, then you have to select reactivation window. Just tap on reactivation, then you will get this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, all you have to do, just tap on reactivation button. Then you can see your deletion request will be cancelled and your Facebook account will be reactivated. So this is the first method. The second method, you can use your Facebook application. After opening, if you already save some account, you can select like this, or you can enter your login details like enter email, phone number, or you can use your saved information and try to log back in. Then you will get this kind of notice. Reactivate your account. It mentions your account has been scheduled for permanent deletion. To cancel the deletion request, all you have to do, just tap on reactivate button at the bottom. Just tap blue color button, reactivate, then your Facebook account will be reactivated immediately. So let's jump into the third method. So if you got an email to your primary email address from Facebook, you can use that email too. Like this, you can open that email. After opening, it mentions your account will be deleted on this date. To cancel it, just tap go to Facebook button in blue color. Then you will be redirected to your Facebook account. For the fourth method, you can use your web browser. After opening, go to Facebook, like take a long press. Then you can open that Facebook login page in the background. Then you can enter your login details. Then like earlier, you will get this kind of pop-up window. It mentions your account has been scheduled on this date. To cancel it, just tap yes, continue to Facebook. Using these 4 methods, you can cancel your deletion request and reactivate your deleted Facebook account. But if your account has been past that 30-day period, you have to completely recover it. To recover your account, you can click this in this video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.